Hello dear royals, welcome back to my channel. So good to have you back. Now if you're new on here, so good to have you. Welcome to the family. Today as always, I have a very interesting tutorial for you. Simple and straight to the point. We will be using Ambunu leave herb for your hair. This is a natural detangler, conditioner, shampoo. As a matter of fact, is like 5 in 1. Okay, please subscribe. Now, if you are interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, please subscribe. Turn on my post notifications so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. If you're interested in growing a healthy, gorgeous hair, journey to my kitchen. And don't forget to share this video, comment, okay, like. Let's go to my kitchen. You want to grow your hair or not? Let's go. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen, dear royals. Now that is our one and only ingredient, Ambunu. This is an African or ancient African herb. You can get this from Amazon. I actually got this directly from the motherland, Nigeria. But yeah, you can order this from Amazon or from Etsy or your local African store. Yeah, I started off by going in with a little amount of Ambunu powder. Now, this powder is actually crushed. It's more like a dried leaf, and then you can buy it crushed. And I was actually gonna go in with just 1 cup of hot water. Please, the water has to be hot, super hot. Okay, this will enable you drag out all of those um properties that Ambunu contains, like the SAPONIN, okay, which contains the super unique properties that allows the hair to foam, emulsifier, and other great benefit that this beautiful herb contains, and the kind of value that it adds to our hair. I'm going in with a double cheesecloth just to strain and make sure that I do not have any residue in the hair. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay, off camera. Listen, I first of all went in with that little teaspoon or tablespoon that you saw. It was too watery. I had to go in with almost the whole bag. I added so much Ambunu powder, and I am going to leave the measurements in the description box. Everything will be there. Just one ingredient. That's all you need. And that's my daughter, Mary's, my first daughter. I saturated the hair with water. It's not wet enough now. It is drenching wet. Now, Ambunu contains it's a detangling herb that provides scalp relief, so you can also use this on your scalp. The mistake I made was that I did not put it in a good dispensing bottle. I was actually looking for my bottle, so I just went in with like a water bottle, whatever. And then it also prevents buildup and prevents dandruff, fungal infections, and other common problems that can result in hair loss. Now, listen. If you use this herb regularly, you can see the significance in shedding. It will reduce shedding for you, and it will give you a stronger, thicker, softer hair and a beautiful shine. It adds a lot of shine to your hair. Now, I finished up off camera, and that's the result. Okay, number one review. Personally, I do not want to use this as a shampoo. The detangling effect is awesome because it has all of that sleep, but I did not feel the hair was super clean. I'm just showing you the hair. No, that's just my thoughts. Maybe my mixture wasn't good enough, but no, I went in with my homemade black soap shampoo. I had to shampoo the scalp properly, okay? And the hair is so clean, but very well detangled, super detangled. This is a good conditioner. Now I'm all done off camera, condition off camera, and this is the section that I am going to be plating. I added my leave-in conditioner. It's a DIY actually. Okra. It's super rich. I'm gonna leave the link to that DIY tutorial. And that's just me adding my, I added my butter and my first good oil. I'm also going to leave the link in the description box to how you can purchase that if you want to. And look at that juicy twist. Now, drums rolling, another bonus tutorial added to this one. If you had watched my last tutorial on Ayurvedic hair masks, I showed you how I twist my second daughter's hair, and now I'm going to show you how I twist my first daughter's hair without the use of rubber bands. I'm excited because this is all new to me. Like I said in the other video, it's very new to me. Now I can twist without using rubber band to hold the base of the hair. And that's the way I do it. Watch, and maybe you might find this beneficial if you had struggled like I had struggled in the past. Yeah, and look at how smooth the twist is. Now, this girl has a type 4 hair, mostly 4B. Look at how soft it is. You think that? No, no chemical, never had any relaxer. The okra leaving, I mean, the what the Ambunu first of all did, remember? Ambunu will soften your hair. What that Ambunu did was beautiful. And then I added okra leaving and I added the butter, moisturizing hair butter, and forest good oil. Now, oh God, the hair was soft. It was beautiful. The texture, when I was done, the twist was so juicy. I'm heavy on product and I always add a lot more towards the end of the hair because the ends of your hair is the oldest and most fragile. So you want to take care of it as you would an older person, okay? You don't want all of that breakage. And that's just how you would notice a lot of length retention. This girl's hair is all the way to tailbone, and that's one method that I have used. I tool the ends. I don't want it to undo itself. You know, a lot of products can cause a lot of sleep and might undo the twist. And that's just the end result. Camera is doing this hair no justice. Naturally, her hair is jet black, and I'm able to maintain that jet black color or even add more blackness or color to her hair with the use of okra. Now, this is the final result. Oh my God. Jet black, shiny, soft, clean scalp. Ambunu did good to this girl's scalp. Now she's not going to complain of itchy scalp or anything in the near future. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on my post notification, like this video, share this video, comment. Tell me, will you be trying this? It's just one ingredient, okay? In the comment section, talk to me. Will you try this out? And now that is Princess Amary just shaking her hair, showing off, show off, girl. Thank you so much, dear royals, for watching again. I will see you in my next video next week. Come back because I have something really cool and another very easy tutorial on how you can grow and maintain a healthy, good hair. Bye.